Hi, I'm Sam Holt from Egg Seeds, and I've been working with Renew and Abertillery Community College. And I've been pulled in to help them with their garden design and creating some furniture that they wanted out in the garden. Now they said they wanted somewhere to sit, somewhere to have their lunch, but the garden was quite a mess.
The young people have been involved from start to finish, so they were involved in the planning of the project. They were asked exactly what they wanted out there. So they've cut their own wood, pulled apart their own pallets.
We was making tyres out of teapots, we was painting them. We all worked as a team. We were doing different kind of projects.
I found out about the project through a colleague of mine that also works for Blind and Grant Youth Service. He used Sam from Egg Seeds. The project went really well, and then he told me he managed to secure funding through an organisation called ProMo-Cymru and Renew Wales. So I approached ProMo-Cymru and then they linked in with Renew Wales and secured 3 days funding for me with Sam from Egg Seeds. And he's just been great really throughout, coming up with lots of ideas, and really making the young people's ideas into reality and getting their imagination going as well.